It's morning time. We're at the resort. We're gonna head to the park in a few minutes. Everybody's sunscreened up, excited, ready to go. So we'll see you there. We're here!
We made it. We're in Silver City, ready to get it going. You notice no masks. They just lifted those requirements, new CDC guidelines, and we are vaccinated, so we feel good about that as well. We're ready to ride some roller coasters here. We used to love roller coasters, still do. We're getting old, and sometimes roller coasters get the best of us, though. Allison's been known to throw up in the bushes at Cedar Point a time or two.
Not good.
I thought I was invincible, but last time we were at Silver City, I rode a kiddie ride that spun, and I probably thought I should have thrown up, but I didn't. So we'll see how today goes, but we're gonna get after it, go from there. We're excited. This place is awesome. Let's have some adventures.
Where did Daddy go?
I don't know.
You don't know? Should we go look for him? Let's go look for him.
Now, over here.
All right, traveled through time, made it back on the other side. Really cool ride. It has a really cool queue, lots of clocks and gears and stuff for the traveling. And then you go out and you drop down, upside down, spinning, a couple launches. Solid start. Just me because Kyler's too small, but next is Thunderation.
We're about to go on Kyler's first real roller coaster, Thunderation. How you feeling, Kai?
Are you nervous?
Look, we're gonna be on that.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Whoa, let's go get on it.
Hi, how was Thunderation, your first roller coaster?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What you think? Was it really fast or slow?
Like that.
On the train.
Hey, everybody say it. Final!
Alright, so lunch, went with my good old Reliable, hit up one of the skillet stands, got one of the chicken fajita skillets as well as a sausage melody skillet. As you can tell from this footage, it is hot and fresh and delicious. Probably helps that we're starving, but it was amazing.
Yeah. The fajita one was really good, had big chunks of chicken, a little bit of spice, but it was good. And then the other one, the sausage one, had chunks of sausage that were super good, and of course potatoes with anything is amazing.
I feel like taking a nap now, but no time for that.
All right, we're going to talk about the twins for a second. I promise they're here with us. They are just super busy little guys, and we need all hands on deck whenever they're with us. So we have to put the camera away and chase them around, but they're having so much fun running around. Obviously they're looking really tired, and they're going to go back and nap soon.
Yeah, we've got a lot of footage of them, but it's just crazy, and then we've got to put the camera down and make sure they don't go run into the middle of somewhere dangerous. So they're having a blast, but they're definitely not the stars of the vlog today, but they are having a good time, and we are spending time with them, we promise. So Kyler is off with Gigi and Papa for a little bit. we're gonna switch. They're gonna take the twins back to the resort for a nap, and then here in a little bit, we're gonna explore a little bit more, the two of us and Kyler. All right, CrossFit workout for the day, pushing the twins up the mountain. And we just ate. I feel like that was worse than going on a roller coaster. Woo! Hey Kai, what do you got there? What is that?
It's a slingshot.
A slingshot. What's on the front of it?
It's a geese.
A geese.
Yeah.
No, it's an eagle. So we probably should have led with this then instead of middle of the video. But in case anybody doesn't know, Sodar City, Branson, Missouri. It's a old kind of frontierland park, kind of the old Western style. A lot of the employees are in costume. It's all about trains and the Old West. Think about maybe Frontierland and Disney World, that kind of deal, but for the whole park. It's in the Ozark Mountains, so there's lots of hills and all that stuff, and the rides are all through there. So we'll add some B-roll here in a second with some music, just showing some of the character of the park, so you guys can kind of get a feel for that. So here it is right now. Red or purple? Red?
Yeah, red.
Get in.
Woohoo! So these guys look like Dumbo, but from Disney, but can't be. Whoa, can't be Disney. So I guess it's Ralph the elephant. Whoa! Oh my gosh, that one's really high.
All right, so Spinny Rides, we don't do so good. A kid on the ride before this definitely just puked in the bushes as he got off. So Allison is a little nervous, but she is a trooper for going with Kai on this one. Woo! I'm getting dizzy just watching. All right, Dizzy, did you puke?
No, thank goodness.
Oh my.
Kai, was it great?
Yeah.
All right, we're getting ready. Fire in the hole. Kai was a little nervous, but we know he likes this ride. Next up, you'll be hearing us yell it. Alrighty.
Saloon Show. Funny story. Last time we were here, Ryan got called up on stage and had to go up and dance like a girl. So made my day. He hated it.
That's like my worst nightmare of anything ever. Hence why we sat more in the back today. Didn't get quite as good of shots, but I wanted to be nowhere near that. They didn't call anybody on stage. I think they're just, slowly opening up from COVID stuff. So nobody on stage, so crisis averted.
We came and got our cinnamon bread. It's warm and delicious, and Kyler loves it. A huge hit with him. We got some last year, and it's your picture right here. And he is loving it. We're already digging in, and we've had it open for 5 seconds, so he's loving it. Hey, we're just wrapping up day 1 at Silver Dollar City. We had lots of fun, rode some rides, ate some good food. The kids had lots of fun. It rained a little bit, but the weather has been super nice.
Yeah.
But we're gonna head back and hang out with the twins and grandparents and just hang out for the rest of the evening.
Yeah, and we're coming back to Silver Dollar City tomorrow. We are not going to film it though. One thing, this is kind of random, but one of my favorite movies is Walter Mitty. It's a weird movie, but it's one of my favorites. There's a part in it that I always remember. This photographer has been trying to find this like endangered leopard for this special shot for years, and then he finally finds him, and he doesn't take the picture. And it's this really profound deal where he doesn't want to ruin the moment by worrying about getting the shot. And I've always thought about that in terms of trying to focus on being in the moment and not always being on our cell phones and with the cameras and everything like that. Especially when we've got our kids here, it's a lot of work, and we want to make sure the focus of these trips when the kids are here is to bring smiles to their face and not be trying to get these shots or anything like that. So we're still gonna, on our trips with our family, go ahead and do the YouTube stuff, but we're not gonna go all out because we're gonna focus on our family because that's more important. So tomorrow we're gonna come do some of the stuff we didn't get to do today, but unfortunately it's not gonna be on camera. Hopefully we got enough of it for you today, and you had fun on this adventure. And I think, if I'm not wrong, the next Baum adventure here pretty soon is gonna be a Allison and Ryan solo trip to Cabo, so that one is gonna be real fun. We'll see you on the next one. Catch you on the flippity flip.